A pre-owned 2016 Ford. This three-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable O transmission. This Ford has less than 151,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.